What up, y'all? Back with another video. Today we unboxed this right here. All I did was took the plastic off of it because I was so excited to get it. Can't even stunt. Couldn't even wait on y'all. But nonetheless, we still here. So I'm gonna set it right there. Let's check it out. Ooh yeah. And we still got this power acoustic in here. We've had it for a year. It's still going strong. So ain't no need to replace it. Good job, Power Acoustics. But this is the star of the show. Now, for those who don't know, we finna start a new series called Big Cap. And that's what we finna be doing. We capping around here. Yeah, in a good way, not a bad way. It's good capping. But yeah. I'm about to hop up in the car, pull out the radio, wire a couple of wires a different way, run some new speaker wire, and yeah, see how things turn out. But first I gotta unhook that one, cause that's not my power source. That's not gonna be the power source for what I'm gonna do. And I do have the wire splits coming, so I can run both amps off of what I already have. And if that turns out to drain too much power, guess what that means? We're going to have to run a second battery. But we'll worry about that when we get there. Or I could just run my subs and my insides off of this 1 amp, but I really don't want to. But we'll see. Let's see the comparisons in this mugs real quick, though. Let's move this out the way and just a temporary setup. Is it bigger or is it same size? It's just a little bit bigger, man. That's only because we added them extra channels in there. But still, same size. But anyways, yeah, I'll catch y'all some finished product. Hey, Chuck, let me know what to do about this, man. My Velcro ain't sticking. Keeps flipping out everywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit.